Hello everyone, welcome to Art Around House. I'm Kala Ponnuri. In today's video, we are going to make a multi-purpose stand using paper rolls and plastic bottle. So let's see the materials required for this. I find old calendar papers are very useful for getting thicker and longer paper rolls which we need to make the multi-purpose stand today. For detailed tutorial how to make a paper roll perfectly, you may please watch my video number 23, for which the link will be given in description box. After making 4 paper rolls, cut off the soft edges which are weak, and then cut off further to the required length. Stick the 4 paper rolls together using glue. After sticking the paper rolls, put a rubber band around, or you can even tie them together to keep the rolls intact till the glue gets dry. Meanwhile, we will prepare the base for the paper rolls. You can take top part of any plastic bottle. After cutting the bottle, the base should be wider but not narrow. Now place the bottle on hot iron, but don't rest the bottle on hot iron for longer time. Keep lifting and rotating it continuously as you are seeing till the edge of the bottle turn inward evenly. Remove the rubber bands and we will fix the paper rolls in plastic bottle with the help of M-Seal. Before that, remove the plastic ring from the bottle. Apply oil or any Vaseline on your palms before mixing the two substances of M-Seal. These are the leftovers of M-Seal while making the other decor, and sometimes after mixing the two substances I attend the other housework till it becomes little hard, but I completely forget about it. I am going to fill these in the bottle along with M-Seal. You can use any stones or any other pebbles whatever available. This is just to reduce the usage of quantity of M-Seal. But remember not to place the stones in center as they may obstruct the paper rolls when we insert in the bottle. After that, fill the rest of the space with M-Seal till the rim of the bottle. You can fill the bottle only with M-Seal without placing any stones. It's up to you. Then place the bottle on a flat surface and insert the paper rolls in the M-Seal and push them down till the bottom edge almost. Hold it in position after inserting till M-Seal becomes hard to avoid any tilting of the paper rolls. I'm sorry guys, I missed the pushing part in video as there was no help around. Cover the top part with M-Seal to hide the mouth of the bottle and also for more support. Here you can give a nice shape to the top part when the M-Seal is little soft. Smoothen the surface well using any talcum powder. Now make 2 more paper rolls and take only the middle part which is strongest. Stick them together using glue. We will place these on top of the paper rolls horizontally. Secure the center part properly using enough M-Seal as this is the weight bearing part. This is the final look of the stand, and now we will paint it using black acrylic color. After applying the paint, dab the bottle part with sponge to get uniform coat. Let the paint dry completely and give 2 coats of varnish. After making the stand, if you feel it is not stable enough, then you can place the stand in any lid of a container and fill it more with M-Seal. This is my old stand. Just to give you an idea, I remade the base. Whatever I displayed here are made by me in previous videos. You can hang some planters, some bells or some terracotta birds, whatever you have at home. Add some knickknacks around it to make it look elegant. Just by making one stand using minimum materials, you can utilize it in many ways. Don't you think the word multi-purpose stand justifies the name? So this is what art around house is all about. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you did, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Also share with your family and friends. If you don't want to miss my videos, then don't forget to hit the bell icon. See you all in my next video. Thank you.